Okay, so welcome back to our economics class, session number 1 today. And today we have 3 sessions. As we discussed yesterday, we want to start the revision also. Clear? We want to start the revision. I already told you to just revise the chapter microeconomics and introduction, right? Okay, hope you did it. At the same time, I give a homework for you people, right? And some students told that it is impossible to get the values. So yesterday I told one thing, remembering that. Okay, so if you are unable to get that information or accurate information, just manipulate it. Okay, just take some values. Okay, compare with that value. That's enough. Okay. So sometimes it is impossible to get the accurate values because we are collecting the data from 1990, right? Or 2000. What is that? I think it's 1990 or something like. Okay, if it is not,
2000.
yeah, 2000. If it is not possible, leave that. Okay, so just manipulate some data. Okay, so lesser values you have to choose and complete the task there. Okay, so the thing is you have to do that. What one? The calculation. You have to familiar with that. That is the only purpose behind that. Okay, yes, clear. Okay, now some more things are there in that chapter, that is index numbers. You want to go for some more calculations. Okay, then next 2 periods we'll go for revision there. Just to open your textbook. Okay, so the index numbers here. So today we are going for some more explanation of different aspects of the same chapter. It is index numbers. Okay, so we already know that what are the different methods to calculate the index number and how can we interpret the data. Okay, clear? That's what we discussed in the earlier classes. And we are moving forward. So yesterday we completed about what is index numbers, what are the important uses of index numbers, calculation of index numbers. Okay, basically the construction of index numbers. Okay, so we just used a simple method here, simple aggregative price index. Okay, calculation of a simple aggregative price index, that is completed. Okay, I think you know all these things there, right? Okay, so the percentage change easily we are able to analyze that. And the next one, the aggregative method also completed. The equation is important for the examination. Okay, so 2 methods we followed. Okay, here you know that one is weighted aggregative index. Just using this aggregative method, it will not reflect it or will not show the difference between different items there. Okay, so we went for, or we discussed about the weighted aggregative method. That is equation P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by 100. Okay, so explained up to here yesterday. This calculation completed. Okay, so come back, example 2, calculation of weighted aggregative price index. 2 methods are there. Okay, that is first one is last pay's price index, the another one is purchase price index. So we know the difference between these 2 things there. So it is important for the examination, these 2 methods there. One table will be their examination. Okay, as a question there, and we'll ask you to calculate these 2 types of price index. One is quantity from the base year, other one is quantity from the current year. Okay, last year's price index and past year's price index. I hope this idea is clear for you, right? That idea is clear. So 2 different equations are there. Okay, so here is last year's price index P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Okay, coming to past year's price index, the equation will change it into P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So in the first case, quantity of the base year, and in the second case, quantity of the current year. This is the only difference. Okay, just keep that idea in your mind. Next one, method of aggregative relatives. Okay, so for that, here, the calculation of weighted price relative index, 2 equations are there here. Okay, so method of averaging relatives. When there is only one commodity, the price index is the ratio of the price of the commodity in the current period to that in the base period. Only one commodity. Okay, if only one commodity is there, we are using this method. What is that? Method of averaging relatives. Averaging relatives. Here, usually expressed in the percentage term. So, change in the price of that commodity we will express in terms of percentage. The method of averaging relatives takes the average of these relatives when there are many commodities. The price index number using price relatives is defined as, so the price index number using the price relatives. Okay, we can define that with this equation, that is P01 is equal to 1 divided by n into sigma P1 divided by P0 into 100. Okay, so just to observe this clearly, here the same table only we are using to do that. Okay, so you can see 4653. Okay, 4653 price of the commodity in the current year. Okay, next one, here you can see 2542. Here it is 2542 price of the commodity in the base year. Okay, next one, number of items, it is 4. So 1 divided by 4 multiply by sigma P1 divided by P0. So add all these numbers together. So 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 into 100. The answer is 149. Okay. So just to do this kind of calculation method of averaging relatives. Okay. So rewrite the question. Use that equation to find out the value. Okay, here it is. A, B, C, D. Price of the base year, it is 5, 10, 15, 25. Price of the current year, it is 10, 15, 20, 30. Okay. Come on, calculate this one first. Equation, you know that. This is the equation. P01 is equal to 1 by n into sigma P1 divided by P0 into 100. So if you are using this calculation, we got the number here, right? 149. So 149 minus 100. The answer is 49% growth is there. Okay, 49% of the price increased.
So can you show the question once again?
Yeah. Here it is. P0 5, 10, 15, 25. P1 is equal to 10, 15, 20, 30. This method we are using only understand the price variation of the commodity, right? Price variation of the commodities or hike in the price of that commodities in that basket. So here I want to note one thing, it is only price, not weight of the commodity, right? No quantities mentioned here, only price. So you are able to understand the price variation.
Sir, can you show the question once again?
Here it is. Karthik minus 100. Don't forget to reduce that 100 from your 100 from your final answer, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And Joe, please check any calculation error is there or not. So let me check it. Karthik, one more time you check your calculation. Karthik. So this is error in your calculation, I think, Karthik. Just check it properly. Because the numbers here it is 5 to 10, 10, 15, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so I already told you that the sense is the more important here, right? So more or less 50% of the only the growth here you can see here. Okay. Come on, first, please send me the answers. Okay, Aparna. Okay, Shubham Pal. Calculation is correct. Karthik? Yeah, correct now. Okay, everyone, hope all this idea is clear for you, right? Okay, so it's price relative to find out the only the hike in the price, okay, or differences in the price in the current year from the base year, that's basically we will use this method, averaging relatives, okay, only the price. Okay, now we want to find out the changes in price along with the commodity. Okay, commodity is a quantity, so we know that weighted index of price relatives is necessary, right? Okay, weighted index of price relative is necessary here. So the equation you can see here, it is somewhat complicated here, right? Okay, that is P01 is equal to sigma n, okay, superscript n, I is equal to 1 here. So Wi into P1I divided by P0I into 100 divided by sigma n, I is equal to 1 Wi. Okay, here W means we know that it is the weight. So it is important in the table the weight will be there. Okay, the quantity in percentage. Okay, the quantity that a consumer purchasing that in percentage in two different time period. So A it is 40%, B it is 30%, C it is 20%, D it is 10%. Okay, and price of the commodity in the base year and the current year, both those data will be there in the table. Okay, you can see that 2542, current year it is 4653. Okay, anyway hike is there. Okay, and price relative we want to calculate by using this method, right? Averaging relative. So price relatives also we got here. Okay, we calculated the price relatives and we wrote there. Okay, here you don't want to reduce 100 from that, directly write that price relative here. Okay, no need to write the hike. Okay, it's only 200, 120, 125, 150 related with this prices. So weight is there, base year price is there, current year price is there, price relative is also in the table. Now applying these numbers in the equation, so simply we are able to apply that. Okay, so sigma, okay, n, all numbers together, all these items together, so 4 are there, right? Okay, so price relative into the commodity. Okay, weight of the commodity into the price relative. Okay, so here first case it is a P1 only, P1. Okay, so which year it is? Current year price relative. Okay, so we don't want to think about that because already price relative we completed. Okay, we got it by calculation, right? Okay, so the thing is here, so directly you multiply that 40 into 200, 40 into 200, 30 into 120 and 20 into 125 plus 10 into 150 divided by, okay, price relatives in 100 only, right or not? 100%, right? So 100 divided by 100. So you got answer here 156. Okay, is that clear or not? So simple calculation. So in the table all these things will be there. So you no need to go for a individual calculation. If it is not so, we want to go for, okay, if only the price relative is not here, okay, only this data are there, means you want to calculate it. You want to find out the price relative by apply this equation. Clear? Clear? So you got it. Then directly multiply that with the weight of the particular commodity, weight of that particular commodity. So you will get the answer. Okay, just go for a simple example here. I mean, just a classwork, just complete it. Okay, so I am writing here A, B, C, D. Okay, weight is there. Weight of the commodity 50, 40, 10, sorry, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Okay. Next one, base period P0. Okay, so you have to calculate it. Okay, then only, that is 5, 10, 15, 20. P1 it is 10, 12, 20, 25. Okay, So here there is no price relative is provided. First of all, you have to calculate the price relative for this data, individual data. Clear or not? So what equation you want to use here to find out the price relative? Not for all these together, individually you have to calculate. So here it is. See that? Okay, so calculate it. Percentage change. Price relative you have to calculate. This is just a percentage change only. So 200 minus 100. That's what the 100 here. So you got 200 means the price relative is 200. Write that one. Okay. Find the price relative, then calculate it. Completed. Okay. Aishwarya want to reduce 100 from that. That is the final answer. Okay. Aditya, small error is there in the calculation. Just check it one more time. Small error. Come on, fast, complete it and send me the answer. and just copy this question. Okay, here C is commodity, W is the weight in percentage, and P0 values are there, P1 values are there. Okay, so calculator its price relative, then calculate the weighted price relative index. Come on fast. What is the first question's answer? It is 55.6 something, right? We don't got that number. Let me check it. Yeah, almost all everyone they sent that same answer, 55.16. Okay, so those who completed, go for the next question. Next question, it is class of 2. A, B, C, D, E. Here 5 commodities are there. Weight percentage 30, 20, 10, 20, 20. Okay, P0 it is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. P1 values 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Calculate the price relative. Then go for weighted index of price relative values. Shubham, reduce 100 from that. So this one you are easily able to say. But a single glance you are able to give that answer. Without the equation also you are able to see the answer for this question. Okay, correct, Aparna. Okay, Karthik, Aishwarya, correct answer. So this is a tactic question. Here you can see 20 to 40, 30, 60, 40, 80, 50, 100, 60 to 160, 120 only. So what is the growth here? Exactly 100, right? Doubled that. Prices are doubled. So here also adding all these numbers together also 30 plus 20, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 40, 100. Okay, so easily you are able to see that answer. Okay, so let it guess. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye. So we'll do some more calculations. Aishwarya, the answer is wrong. Okay, that one. Chief Election Commissioner of India. Who is that? Got that? No. Okay, we'll discuss in next.